not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. So currently it is 6 a.m. in the morning. I'm at the Chiang Mai railway station. Today I'm taking a train from Chiang Mai to Bangkok. This is a 13-hour journey, and will arrive in Bangkok around 8 p.m. at night. So you can buy your tickets here at the counter, or if you want to buy online, then you can go to 12 Asia website and purchase the ticket there. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would, I would, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what. Taking the MRT to Asok, going to Terminal 1, vegetarian food in Asok, Sukhumvit. What I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, the Terminal 21 mall. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. Taking a boat taxi from here near the Royal Cambodia Embassy to Wat Saket, which is near Khao San Road. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I want. Changing the boat now. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. I would. I would. I would. Getting some food from 7-Eleven before I board my flight back to India. This is my meal.